All right, what is up, everybody? We're here today for scoot in. All right, we're here for an unboxing. No, we're here for a reaction video of the unboxing video. I'm here with
Cameron
and
Hunter.
All right, let's get this thing going. So let's see what happens here.
Weird. Yeah,
I can't
Don't
hear
worry,
the
ask me,
audio,
but this guy should.
let's see if we can restart this video here, fellas.
You're supposed to show the camera. I'm sorry.
Sorry, this is the first time doing a reaction
Then
video,
show the
so we're
camera.
not really sure what we're doing.
What's it? It's fine. I got it.
Okay, here we go. All right, so we're going to try this again, and we're going to hit play. So this is
What is up,
All
everybody?
right, so
In
you guys excited
today's
about opening
video,
the box. What do you guys
We're
think?
here from here at the
very happy,
studio,
Yeah.
unboxing
You know,
boxes.
Oh, whoa.
booster
Whoa,
packs.
whoa, whoa.
Box,
He's
here's
super
number
happy.
one.
Look at that box.
This is number
What do you guys
one.
think's going to be in there?
Let's
Wait,
see
what?
What box the first
Yo,
time?
what do we do with those scissors?
Legendary spray box.
What happened to kindergarten, bro?
You can tell, like, right there, I actually missed the ball.
Put your finger on.
Wow.
Idiot.
Okay,
Yes,
maybe he's got
they
this
should
figure.
probably-
What?
Whoa!
Oh!
Okay, let's
He's
stop
going to stab
screaming
Quentin in the face.
It'll probably hurt people.
Stab him in the arm, bro.
We're looking for the legendary spray box.
What
Whoa.
are you doing?
Whoa, you're going to stab
What are you
yourself in the
doing?
face. Whoa. Oh,
We've got
we got some more friends here watching
Oh
this
yeah, we got
unboxing
some
video.
more unboxing.
All right, so we're watching this unboxing video. We're reacting to it. What? Oh!
Oh, yeah.
He's always giving us a peek.
Whoa,
Oh.
there's nothing. So
Let down.
Oh, he's so shocked.
that'll
Okay, wow.
Oh,
next box.
Oh, rage.
Just give me the next box.
Right now he's screaming. He's screaming about the
Here.
about the boxes here. I turn their volume down. You might not be able to hear us. Oh, what? Oh, he's no better with the scissors.
So why is he holding it
Whoa.
like this?
This kid
He's gonna
needs some
slice his hand off.
Safety scissors. Come on now. Take this away.
He's going. Whoop.
Take them away from him.
This guy shouldn't.
Oh,
Okay. Oh.
oh.
Oh, he happy. Oh, he do that.
I think his kindergarten teacher would be very disappointed in him.
Let's find her.
Who is his kindergarten teacher?
I don't know.
I don't know. We'll
I
have
can,
to
I
find
can,
out.
I can
I
talk
know
to his
his
dad
grandma.
though. I'll talk to his dad. His dad's
I
more
know his
innocent.
grandma.
Okay.
Like a peasant hill kid.
No, he didn't go to
He went to
Pleasant Hill.
Where'd you go to? He went to Summer.
What does a Pleasant Hill kid look like?
It's a peasant.
Like
Me?
this and like this.
Like
Cause I went to Pleasant Hill. This guy, bro.
There's nothing.
I don't think I did that.
Oh, another disappointing.
Okay.
Oh, so why are we throwing boxes?
Another disappointing
What up,
pull.
Mrs. Tayo?
Yes.
Mrs. Tayo's like, what is all the yelling?
This is Mr.
Oh.
she's-
Our library
Hi.
teacher. Here's the next.
He's like,
Oh, here we go.
Another
Oh,
box.
oh,
he
ma-
doesn't have to use scissors for it.
Oh, I hope not.
This isn't
Are we able to edit Monday too? Oh, okay.
Let's see.
Oh,
Okay. Oh, they.
they.
Oh!
Ow.
And
No! Yo! That is such a cliffhanger.
oh wow. So, honest reactions. What do you guys think about this video?
They're gonna kill each other.
Scissor safety, kids.
Scissor safety,
They're going
kids.
like,
Alice, what do you think?
Die. Deleted.
Delete it.
show this to someone in court. Show this
Yeah.
to the police officer.
Take-
Show this to Judge Judy. Show this to Judge Judy.
Died.
No, she's still alive.
If you
Oh,
post
man.
this, you're gonna lose aura.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah, we're gonna
Now,
gain
we're going to
aura.
lose aura?
We're gonna gain aura.
They're going to lose
Yeah,
aura.
they're gonna lose They're aura.
Okay.
losing aura.
They don't
So,
even have
this
aura.
may be the first reaction to a video that's never been released.
Yeah.
That's pretty incredible.
I don't have any.
So,
Until Tuesday.
no aura?
No aura. They don't even have it in general.
Okay. Well, they have a surprise coming to them on Monday when we watch this in class.
Yeah.
Wait, this is.
Is this going on YouTube?
This is being recorded. You're on film, bro.
I'm on YouTube.
You're on YouTube. All right.
Yeah.
For me and the gang here,
Good night.
good night, farewell,
Sayonara.
auf
Don't die.
Wiedersehen.
Don't die by scissors.
Learn
Scissors-
scissor safety.
Scissor safety is no joke.
I will
Yeah,
get
no kidding.
Judge Judy to find you.